Hey guys!
Hi Papu, alam mo ba?
What?
Na, si Eka, magpo-40 na.
What? Magpo-40 na?
Yes.
Eh parang kay 18 lang yan eh.
Bata lang siya tingnan.
Oo nga. Bata lang tingnan pero naku, napaka-mature niyan.
Oo naman.
Oo.
Tingnan mo na dito sa Singapore.
At
Talaga
very, very
naman,
active.
very passionate sa service.
Exactly.
Parang lahat na lang ng service pinapasukan.
Exactly.
Oo.
And then very good wife to Mitch and very good mom to the kids, right?
Yes.
So, kailangan batiin natin siya.
Yeah,
40th
talaga.
birthday.
Oo.
So, happy 40th birthday,
Eka.
Eka. Yeah, we wish you all the best. And we are hoping na nag-enjoy ka dyan down under. Miss na namin kayo dito, but we know that things are really going well with you, with Mitch, and the kids.
Namimiss ko yung mga kwentuhan natin.
That's right. So, hope to see you soon.
Yeah, see you
But
soon.
wishing you all the best and successes in everything that you're doing, especially yung online selling niya.
Online selling.
Right.
Sa Facebook, napapanood ko yun.
So, don't forget to like.
Yes,
And of
don't forget
course,
to like.
We also like. And we love you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
God bless always.
Enjoy.